Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really, really, really windy night here in dark South Yorkshire. We have 13.2 inside the greenhouse tonight, 12.7 out and 13.1, so it's quite a mild evening this evening. And I'm in here looking for some slugs and snails that have done all this damage. I don't know if you can just see down here, we have all those and puppies growing in them, and here we have, I don't know if you just see little monster there. There's the little so-and-so causing all the trouble. Let's have a look at this one. So he's going for a walk outside him shortly. Yeah, there he is. Still the slug. One there. Then, if you come round, so look, if you come round here, we have another one here. And if you see that one, let's get the light on there. Yeah, slug number 2, and he's just had a pellet. Don't like using pellets, but I don't think it left me much choice. So that is slug number 2, and that is because here we have my genomes, and I don't know if you can just see here, that's slug damage. That is slug damage just there. Just there. So, yeah, those will be getting kicked out shortly. And if you see inside here, that can sometimes be a sign that you've got slug damage. So we'll have a look inside here, shall we? See if there's anything in here. Hopefully not. Wow, the wind, man. You hear that? Amazing. So I'm just going around everything, just having a look underneath. That's what you want to do. You want to have a look underneath, around the edge of all your trays and containers. Lift them up, because and then I'm going to get down on my hands and knees and just have a quick scout around under here. See if I can see anything climbing up the walls, because a lot of people don't seem to realise that they can move up to 20 feet in a night, a slug and a snail, so they can quite a long distance. So, right, can't seem to see any more. So what we're going to do is just get these little monsters, and these are going for a little walk outside. So yeah, best to come out and hunt for slugs and snails in the evening. They are nighttime little creatures. So yeah, if you've got any questions about slugs and snails and anything growing and anything that shouldn't be in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Please like and subscribe, I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you, bye.